If you've been asked to make a video and submit that via email to your professor, you probably know that the email won't handle the videos. They're just too large. Instead, here's another way that you can do that. This video is about doing that process with your iPhone. So if you're using an iPhone, the first thing you should do is go to your App Store. And if you don't have it already, download the Google Drive app. As you can see, I already have this one, and this will connect to your Grand Valley email account, your Google-based account. So I'm going to hit open here. This is the Google Drive, and while I don't want to use one of the videos that are in here now, I also don't want you to make a video and then upload it to your drive. You can actually skip a step. To do that, click the add sign down here at the bottom right of the screen. Then on the top row on the right side, you will see Use Camera. Click that. This activates your camera, and it allows you to make a video by selecting Video and then Start Recording. This is how I would advise you to make your video for your professor. Instead of doing something where you make it and then save it, upload it, let's just skip that middle step. This is a very short video, but I do want to select it. So I will use Video on the bottom right. Then it will start to process the video, and soon we will see it pop up in our list. There it is. Now, we'll select this video, and then we'll select the three dots out to the right. Let's rename it. Your professor may have given you a format that they want you to use. For my classes, I would enter Brown, that's my name, and then your name. I'll put Carl. At least your last initial, and then I will put P1. So that's my name, the professor's name, the student's name, and then P1 being persuasive 1. But again, check with your professor. They may have a different format they want you to use. Go ahead and rename that file. Once you do that, go ahead and click the three dots again. Now at the very top, you'll see Share. Select that. Where you have people, enter your professor's email address. So I will put in my Grand Valley email address. Okay. Then over on the right side, you'll see the edit button. Go ahead and do that drop down and make sure, like this one is, that you are set to editor mode. This way your professor can have all the rights to view, comment, or change things about your video. They may not need that much, but it's helpful if they do need it. Now, when you go back out, add a message, and again, your professor may have something they want, but I will put Carl's, let's see, P1, persuasive 1 speech. Now, I should be all set here. Let's go ahead and send that. It's possible that you will be asked this question. Are you sure? Technically, students at Grand Valley and professors at Grand Valley use different email systems. Students use Google-based system, and then professors use Outlook. So go ahead and select Share to make sure that that gets through. All right, now let's jump over and see if that has arrived. I think I just saw it come in. There it is. Let's click on that. Let's see if we can open it. It may take a while to process. Instead of doing something where you make it and then save it, ready to go, upload it, let's just skip that. That's it. Now your professor can see your email, they can edit your email, and then they can respond to it. I hope this was helpful, and if you have questions, please email the Speech Lab at speechlab@gvsu.edu. Thanks.